My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the online scam claiming to be Microsoft Windows Helpline alert. This scam typically comes from the random websites. In fact, currently I have 3 of such pop-ups through browser tabs, and these pop-ups quote this fake Microsoft Windows Helpline number 888-241-5614. This is a fake number. It is not related to Microsoft Windows Helpline. But on the other hand, this number is indeed real, but it is controlled by some online hackers who try to connect to the attacked computer remotely. Then they may infect the system and demand money supposedly to get it fixed. Such pop-ups are not genuine Windows or Microsoft alerts, so you should not trust them. Now, what I recommend you to do is research the control panel and uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program through this official website, install it, and begin investigating your device with its help to effectively detect and delete other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.